Hi travelers, today we're taking a look at this here, which is the invisible backpack. Now this is not only invisible, which will deter pickpockets, but it is also completely weightless. It has a WDW coating, which is a durable weight displacement coating, which allows anything you put inside it to also become weightless. Now of course, sometimes while traveling through the airport, the security may become suspicious if you're traveling without any bag at all. But luckily it has a built-in projection camouflage feature, so if you clap your hands twice you'll actually be able to engage the visibility of the bag, or cloak it to look like a different bag as I have here, and then security will be able to see that you have some luggage on you. In terms of comfort, it actually weighs nothing, so it's very comfortable to wear for long periods of time. And in terms of packing capacity, it's actually an unlimited amount of space inside. So you can see here I was able to fit my guitar, my basketball-shaped cushion, pillow, and even this yoga mat here. Now you may also be wondering about the water resistance of this bag, and unfortunately that is one of the down points about this bag. It basically absorbs water like a towel, as you can see here, and then it becomes very small, shrunken, and floppy. It also drips profusely, as you can hear. Also, for those of you who like to carry a water bottle, unfortunately there's no water bottle holder on the outside of the bag, but there is unlimited space on the inside. Overall, this is one of the best bags that I've ever looked at, and I think it really is worth checking out if you're in the market for traveling without any weight and very inconspicuously. Be sure to let me know in the comments what are your favorite novelty bags, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.